Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening your project and setting the tempo to the target BPM so time stretching aligns. Once done, drag and drop the audio file into a new track or use File Import to place it. Next, select that track and open the track editor. Make sure you enable the flex toggle. You're doing this so Garageband analyzes transient points and allows variable speed changes without changing pitch. That setup is essential before any stretching. With flex time active, choose the appropriate algorithm, speed for uniform stretching, slicing for beats. Then click the audio region, drag the region's end handle to lengthen or shorten, or move transient markers to adjust timing locally. Once you've stretched, use the playhead and loop a section to check alignment. Make small adjustments and nudge markers by milliseconds if needed. This gives musical timing and prevents artifacts. You do this to balance tempo match. When the stretch sounds correct, apply light normalization or compression to smooth level changes, then play the full track to confirm musical timing. Once satisfied, bounce or export the project at the original sample rate for best fidelity. If you hear artifacts or warbling, split the region into smaller pieces and stretch in shorter sections, or use a different flex algorithm. Sometimes lowering the stretch ratio and making incremental changes fixes problems. If issues persist,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.